trick the subconscious mind because, get this, guys, the subconscious mind does not know what is real and what is not. So trick the subconscious mind into believing that you have what you want, into believing you are doing what you want to do in life. When you can trick the subconscious mind into believing what you want it to believe, what's going to happen? Think about it just for a second. It's going to change who you are. It's going to change what it brings to you, and it's going to change what is done. So trick the subconscious mind.